All right, so about 9 months ago, I skated the New Balance 480 low. I did not like that shoe, but I made some mistakes along the way. Mistake number 1. When noticing the shoes weren't that comfortable, I put my thick ass 5mm FP insoles in there, and that was a big mistake. If I would have just left that insole in, the leather that is actually on the back of the shoe, it curves into the shoe and hugs your foot and keeps your foot locked in, which will take out that feeling of, I feel like I'm too high and I'm on high heels, that feeling. These shoes were my first pair of leather shoes. Now, the outer sole on this shoe is... Damn, boy, he's thick! It took me forever to get those shoes broken in, but once I did, they feel great. Let me show you the shoe where I shoe gooed it. I shoe gooed this shoe. I replaced the laces on it just to kind of give it a new, fresh feeling. Shoe gooed it on the inside to make this outer piece like re-stick to the leather that's up here. The second reason I didn't like this shoe is because there's no tongue straps. Tongue of the shoe would like just go to the side of your foot, and that would drive me crazy because I would have to keep fixing it. I felt like I had to tie my shoes tighter and tighter, and who the hell wants to do that shit? Paid $100 for these. Just yesterday, they released the Reynolds version of the 480s, and they include the tongue straps. It seems like they made a couple of updates. It seems like they're listening to their team and consumers. This is why I appreciate New Balance, man. What New Balance does when it comes to a leather suede combo, it's like heaven when it comes to a flick. You got everything that you need, everything you want, everything you've been dreaming of, you got it. I've tried a majority of the New Balance shoes, and for me not to like this one, it just didn't make sense to me. I went back and revisited things that I did to make this shoe comfortable. To be honest with you, it made them terrible. This next thing is literally just for bonus points. for you. That's basically what this video is about. Not somebody who can, you know, obviously just return shoes and you're stubborn like I am and you're like, no, I'm gonna make this shoe work. I put different laces in, I made the shoes tighter, I shoe glued them up, and then I basically I left them in my car so that hard bottom sole would basically get softer. That way every time I'd step into it, it's not as hard. It's softened and it's spread out and the shoes fit better. They feel way better than when I first skated them. Obviously, they're leather shoes, they're gonna take longer to break in, and it was my first pair of leather shoes to skate. Makes perfect sense that I was having a little bit of extra trouble with them. But once they fit in now, they feel amazing. But they still do have their problems. Luckily, New Balance, they came out with the Reynolds 480s. As far as the first video and avoiding my regrets, I kind of made my regrets work for me. I don't regret buying this shoe because I have went through several shoes since I've had this shoe and I can still skate it. Definitely money well worth it, well spent. As far as them not being comfortable and them hurting my feet, that was definitely the plantar fiscus. And that much I know for a fact now. My feet don't ache whenever I'm done skating. Can't chalk that up to New Balance. Got the fuel cell technology in the bottom of the insoles. These are a great shoe. If you're wanting to try some out, I'm gonna recommend to you that you get the new ones. So the New Balance 480 Reynolds, you guys think New Balance did a bunch of changes or not? Are you guys gonna buy the shoe? Comment down below. That's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe right there. All right, watch another video here, and leave a brother a comment. Every little bit helps. I appreciate all of you guys for watching this video.